What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And honey, today your girl is blessing your table with this butter garlic seared fish. Fast, easy, and simple. So be sure you subscribe and turn on those post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. You ready to cook? Let's cook.
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
Okay, goodies, let's cook this fish in minutes. All right, the first thing you want to do is go in and get some salt, and you're going to get some black pepper for the fish. Right, be sure that your fish is washed nice and clean though, and I did wash my fish with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar all the time as I'm wash my fish. When you get done doing all of that, you're going to go in a frying pan and add some oil. I did add maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now, next thing I did was go in and add some fresh garlic, and I used about, I'll say about 3 tablespoons of that garlic because I love garlic and it is a garlic recipe, so you want to be generous with your garlic. Now, what you want to do here is allow these two to come to a nice little melt. Make it melt and combine together like so. Now, goodie, as a friendly reminder, if you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that you have subscribed. If you've not already, go ahead and join the goodie crew. We are one big happy family over here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you will never ever miss any of these uploads because they are always good. All right, now after I got done melting my stuff, I went in and added about a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, honey, and just continued to mix that together so I could get my flavors all kicked up for my fish. Before me put my fish in the pot there, me need flavor. All right, flavor galore, goodie, as I always say. Now, to give it a little notch, even though I'm afraid of pepper, I did go in and add about a tablespoon of some Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet pepper sauce in it. Even though your girl afraid of pepper, I still went in brave heart, right, and gave that a really good mix together. Now, you don't want to just throw everything all in the pot and mix it up, you know. Every time you add something to it, you mix, okay, just like that. Tastes better than way there. Now, after that, I did go in and add some fish seasoning, and the one that I'm using here is the Grace Caribbean fish seasoning, and it tastes pretty good, not too salty. Gave that a good mix in, and I was getting ready to put that fish up in that good right there. Okay, yes, boo. So now that everything has come together nicely, just like it is supposed to be, we go in and we place our fish in. All right, the fish that I'm using here, I will list that down below. Yeah, I can't remember which fish I use right now, but I'm soon tell you later on. Down below it, go there. Now, with that good sauce that you got going in that pot right there, go ahead and coat, or if you want to say base your fish with that sauce. Get it all up in there, up in those cracks that you made on those fish. Make sure you get your good sauce in that thing. Now, your fire is supposed to be on low to medium heat only. Do not put it on high heat because we're not making fried fish. Do not put it on low heat because we need this thing to cook and not get watery and all them things there. So make sure it is between low and medium heat and baste that thing, okay, thoroughly, just like your girl is doing right here. Now, after you get done all of that, you want to go in and add some parsley. I did add some fresh parsley here. You can substitute for dry parsley, cilantro, anything green where you want to put pan it, but don't put color on everything that pan it, alright? So after you're done doing that, you want to go in and cover this thing up, and you are going to allow it to steam is what we're trying to do here for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, you come back and you're going to have that. All right, as you can see, your juices are still sitting in there, but trust believe it is still cooking, but it's cooking between low and medium heat. That's why your girl tell you don't turn it on high heat, because all those juices will be gone if you put it on high heat. Go ahead and base all that good juices right there. It is now combined with the fish flavor, so go ahead and just get it all over that fish, honey, nice and slow, and make sure that it is in those little cracks that you put on that fish earlier. Be sure that you get it on there, honey, with your fire still on that low to medium heat. All right, now remember, you're only cooking it now for 10 minutes, so you want to finish it up. Give it another 10 minutes of cooking, and after another 10 minutes of cooking, that is what you have. Your fish is all done. You still have the good juices in there, so if you want to eat it up with rice or crackers or just about whatever, you still have your juices in there. So be sure that you cook this bad boy here on low to medium heat. This butter, garlic, fish is everything. So be sure that you're spreading the love with friends and family. Tell them what's cooking up over here. Bring them, come and send them, come goodie. I'm waiting. After you get done doing that, tell me where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few